Open the outer package. All parts are as follows. Check for missing parts. You can assemble according to the printed guide. Five legs with 5 casters. Connect the base together. You may need to tap it gently. Insert the screws, then tighten with a screwdriver. Make sure every screw is tightly fastened. Take the casters, align with the holes and install. Insert the metal part fully. Align the center hole and insert the gas lift. Take out the seat cushion. Take out the protective cover. Align with the clips and tap gently to secure. Armrest installation parts as follows. Note that the upper armrests can be distinguished left and right. R stands for right. The lower armrest connector is on the right side as marked. First, insert the screws to secure. Then tighten them. L stands for left. The lower armrest connector is on the left side as marked. Get a handy tool for easier installation. Place the seat cushion upside down on the support. Align lower armrest with seat bottom screw holes. Start screws to hold in place. Do the same for the other side. Secure first, then tighten. Install the base in the same direction as shown in the video. Tighten the screws by hand to hold the position. Tighten again with a screwdriver. Unscrew the screws on both sides of the backrest. Now unscrew the other side. Place the seat cushion upright and secure it. Line the backrest with the holes. Insert the screws first to secure. Tighten again with a screwdriver. Do the same for the other side. Insert the screws into the holes of the cover first. Tighten firmly to secure. Make sure to align with the holes. Align the gas lift with the holes. Insert the gas lift. Straighten the chair. Installation done. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your new chair.